guys, welcome back to my channel. This channel is all about digital marketing, so if you haven't subscribed, please make sure to hit the subscribe button and also hit the bell icon to get notified whenever I upload a new video. Guys, welcome back to my channel. I hope you're doing well, and this video is all about digital marketing newbie. And if you are a newbie, then please keep watching this video. So this video is about digital marketing for a beginner or a newbie. So if you are a newbie and you're confused about from where should I start or which course should I take, there are thousands of courses available online. And ऑनेस्टली बताऊँ तो मैं भी पहले बहुत कंफ्यूज थी जब मैं स्टार्ट कर रही थी. मैंने ये करियर पाथ 1 साल पहले शुरू किया था और अभी मैं बहुत ज़्यादा प्रोग्रेस हो चुकी हूँ ये करियर में. And I want to share everything with you guys. So I would just like to tell you a little about me first. I have had a YouTube channel with 56,000 subscribers which led me to the world of digital marketing. And वो channel पूरा craft के बारे में था, so it was nothing related to digital marketing, but I came to know a lot about digital marketing through my YouTube channel. So at the start, even as a newbie, I was still confused, like कहाँ से start करूँ, कहाँ से कौन सा कोर्स लूँ. इतना 10,000 कोर्सेज है मार्केट में. तो ये सारे डाउट्स अगर आपको भी है तो आई एम गोना assure you that they all will be solved at the end of this video. So please make sure to keep watching the video till the end. So 6 steps I have written, I will be sharing with you guys one by one. So the first step is getting a basic knowledge about digital marketing. Now you will ask me, Arwa, how should I start? कौन सा कोर्स लूँ स्टार्टिंग में? तो I'll just suggest you the fundamentals of digital marketing course by Google. Now this course is completely free and वो आपको बेसिक आइडिया भी देगा कि डिजिटल मार्केटिंग क्या है, ईमेल मार्केटिंग क्या है, दूसरे एस्पेक्ट्स क्या है ऑनलाइन मार्केट करने के, कितने पैसे लगते हैं. ये सब बेसिक जो डाउट्स आपके मन में है वो सब ये कोर्स के थ्रू सॉल्व हो जाएंगे. एंड गेस व्हाट, यू आर गोइंग टू इवन गेट अ सर्टिफिकेट at the end of the course. So there are a total of 40 modules that you need to complete in this course in order to get the certificate. And for a beginner, this course is really power packed and it's really good course if you are just starting out. So yeah, that's the first course that I recommend. The second course that I recommend is by Digital Deepak, and I myself have taken that course. I had taken at a discount price when he had a sale going on, but he has really good courses at the rate of 2,000 and 3,000, which is nothing as compared to your degrees which you get in college. So you can easily invest a little money in that and start out. And अगर आपको पैसे खर्च नहीं करने हैं तो there are many resources on YouTube that are available. I'll mention the links in the comments below. And ये पहला सर्टिफिकेशन हो गया. अभी दूसरा सर्टिफिकेशन आता है गूगल एड्स एंड फेसबुक ब्लूप्रिंट का. तो सेकेंड इज़ गूगल एड्स का. ऑल्सो यू कैन लर्न ऑन योर ओन और यू कैन टेक द फ्री कोर्स दैट आर प्रोवाइडेड बाय गूगल itself. And the third is Facebook Blueprint. Now this exam is not free exam. You need to work a lot on Facebook marketing. You need to research yourself which videos I should watch on YouTube, whom should I follow. So this Facebook marketing is a little advanced. So once you go through the first stage of digital marketing, then maybe you can think of which niche do you like. Do you like copywriting niche, or do you like Facebook marketing, or do you like making graphics, or something like that. After that, you have done your certifications, your basic certifications, I would say, in Google and in Facebook. So after that you can join an internship. Now from where should you get an internship? That's the main question. Getting an internship has become very easy with so many online portals that are available. You can apply on Internshala. You can even find basic jobs on Indeed.com or other platforms as well. I'll mention all the platforms in the description below so you get the idea. And so what an internship will do is it will give you a practical experience as to how a corporate world works. So it will give you a knowledge. Even if the price is low, trust me, you should work for it for free, because internships helps you to know how to handle people and how to deal with other people, and how to deliver your deliverables and other things like that. So I myself have done 2 internships in digital marketing, so I know that internships are very very important. So now, even which internship should you go for, free or paid internship? I would suggest at the start, if you even have a free internship, it doesn't I mean, you should not say no to it, because I feel you're getting to learn a lot of things. So I had done an internship which had very less price, I would say 4,000 per month, but I got to learn a lot from that internship, and I got to learn how people actually manage a company, and how things are there in the corporate world. So that's why internships are important. हम आते हैं थर्ड स्टेप पे. थर्ड स्टेप इज़ चूजिंग योर मेंटर. नाउ दिस इज़ वेरी वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट, एंड आई फील everybody should have at least 3 mentors. Now what do I mean by mentor is कोई जो ये फील्ड में बहुत एक्सपीरियंस्ड है, एंड हु हैज़ डन many research on this field before you, so they know a lot about this field than you. So, and I prefer keeping limited mentors, because it confuses your mind if you have too many people who you follow. So if you have top 3 mentors whose content you follow, whose email marketing list you follow, whose blogs you follow, so I prefer the basic 2-3 people who are out there in the marketing world. You can choose your own. I won't mention names, because then it will get like too generic here, because there are many other people who have achieved a lot in terms of marketing and getting a high ROAS in terms of Facebook ads. So that is the third step, and that is very crucial step that you should follow. The fourth step is all about networking. अगर आप डिजिटल मार्केटिंग में है तो आपको नेटवर्किंग बहुत ज़रूरी है. नेटवर्किंग का क्या मतलब है? नेटवर्किंग मतलब बिल्डिंग रिलेशनशिप्स विद पीपल, building genuine relationships with your audience. Now if you have a brand, अगर आप उसको मार्केट कर रहे हैं तो आपको पता होना चाहिए कि आप सिर्फ मार्केटिंग के लिए मार्केट नहीं कर रहे हैं, आपको वो ऑडियंस के साथ एक रिश्ता बनाना है. Like you have to create that comfort with your audience in order to get those clients and get those customers get them to spend on your product. So you need to find ways in which you need to market yourself. I have found a great way to market myself, which is LinkedIn. So you can even build relationships on LinkedIn. You can DM people who post out similar content as you do. So this will help your brand like crazy. So I use LinkedIn because it is totally free, and it helps you reach out to all your potential clients. The next step that I would say is post out a lot of content. Now content will help you learn as well as share with people. So this has helped me a lot. I have my own blog with the name of digitalarva.com, and I also post consistent content on LinkedIn and Instagram. If you haven't followed my Instagram, please make sure to follow. So okay, this is like a typical marketer marketing her Instagram page. So I post out really unique content on Instagram, and I don't post the same content on LinkedIn, because then if both the audiences are same, then it will get a confusion as to which, like it will get repeated a lot of times. So you should mix and match your content as to which days what you should post. So content is a really great tool to reach out to your potential customers and clients. So now if you have a brand, if you're trying to market your brand, then content is the ultimate king. And as Vivek Bindra says, content is like kingdom. It's not even the king, it's the kingdom. So you should know all these basics about content marketing and how you should reach your target audience through organic as well as through ads. You will learn a lot about organic and paid marketing, in the course that you do, the first course that I told you, that is Fundamentals of Digital Marketing. Coming on to the last step of this video is my favorite step, and you should also build a blog. Now you would say, like, as a newbie, why should you build a blog for yourself when you're just starting out, or when you're just, you're not even an expert in that field? So I would just say that sharing your knowledge while you're learning helps you remember it better. So if you are just starting out, sharing it with other people causes no harm. So if you are sharing it with other people, then it's the best thing, and you're even learning and revising your concepts of marketing. So like, if you check out my blog, I have built my website completely on my own without any help. So if you go to www.digitalarva.com, you will come to know that I have built a very attractive website and a very attractive blog. So that too you need to do for yourself. In the beginning, maybe you shouldn't put so much effort on your website or your blog, but just write out daily articles, write out minimum 300 word article every single day. So in order to keep your mind fresh about you're learning something in this field. So this field is ever evolving field, so you should keep learning every day, and you should challenge yourself every day to learn something new and share it with other people. So okay, that's all for this video, and I hope you like this video. All the important links will be mentioned down below, so you can check that out. And also, please make sure to subscribe and also hit the bell icon if you haven't already. Bye bye, good luck, goodbye.